Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the source media you'll convert into a live wallpaper. Pick a short video or live photo between 5 and 15 seconds so it loops smoothly. Once done, move the file into your device's gallery or Files app and remember the exact file name and folder. Make sure the clip's resolution roughly matches your screen or crop it to your device aspect ratio so the image won't be stretched. This prevents blurring and odd black bars when applied as wallpaper. Now you'll convert and prep the clip without installing any app. Trim the video to 3 to 10 seconds and mute audio to save power and avoid unexpected sound. Use your device's built-in photo editor or a shortcut /automation's workflow to convert the video into a live photo or motion photo format your OS accepts. Then open the editor to crop and scale so the key subject stays centered. Preview on both lock and home screens to confirm the motion looks natural and loops. Finish by applying the live photo as your wallpaper through settings right arrow wallpaper. Select the live photo and pick set for lock screen or both. Make sure live photo or motion is enabled when you confirm. If the motion doesn't play, double-check the live/motion toggle, resave the live photo from the gallery, and retry. If the loop stutters, shorten the clip to 3 to 5 seconds or reduce the frame rate before converting. That fixes playback hiccups and uses less battery while keeping the effect smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.